And while Vice President Kashim Shettima has reaffirmed the commitment of the President Tinubu administration to driving economic growth and transforming the nation's healthcare system. This is just as the Sir Emeka Ofo Foundation announced the donation of $5 million to the Rotary Foundation to address maternal mortality in Nigeria. The Vice President was speaking during a courtesy visit by the Chair of the Trustees of the Rotary Foundation of Rotary International, Mark Daniel Maloney, at the Presidential Villa Abuja, where he commended the significant contributions of Rotary International and other stakeholders to Nigeria's development. VP Shettima affirmed Nigeria's readiness for economic resurgence, urging Rotary International to deepen its involvement in combating environmental challenges such as desertification and deforestation through initiatives like the Great Green Wall Project. Also, the Coordinating Minister of Health and Social Welfare, Professor Ali Hate, acknowledged the philanthropic efforts of Rotary International as well as the Sir Emeka Ofo Foundation, describing their contributions as life-changing.
We'll continue that partnership. The President is fully committed to repositioning the Nigerian nation. It's not easy to change course. It's almost a revolutionary leader because he took far-reaching decisions in the past 2 years than any leader. Some of them very unpopular decisions, but for the best of the nation, than any leader in the contemporary history of this country. So be rest assured that Nigeria is poised for a resurgence. Africa is poised for renaissance and will continue to partner with Rotary International.
I've had a long relationship with Rotary, as the chair mentioned, polio, maternal health, on hygiene, and several other facets of development. It is a volunteer organization, and they contribute three things: time of the volunteers, their talent, but also their treasure. They put together money to contribute into addressing issues that afflict our populations, particularly those who are poor, vulnerable women and children. Here in Nigeria, we have the many contributions, philanthropic contributions that they have made. And I was so glad to hear the intention to donate $5 million by the Sir Emeka Ofo Foundation to help and partner with Rotary Foundation to deal with maternal mortality.
We have great activity here in Nigeria through Rotary clubs here. In the last year, the Rotary Foundation has funded $34 million for health-related projects, including polio eradication, maternal and child health, and disease prevention and treatment.
In this country, when it became very difficult for women to survive due to hardship, when things started getting out of hands, and then the government of the previous governments were not meeting the demands, and they are sure that the intention of this present government in the renewal hope is to the health is one of the major areas. And then apart from that, the minister himself has done more than his survival expectation.